Welcome back to Niecy's Closet. In this segment, I'm going to show you how to single crochet. And in the next two videos, I will be showing you how to double crochet and half double crochet. But this time, we're just going to work on single crochet just for you. I'm using an I hook, or you could use a J hook. The yarn that I use, when you go pick out the yarn, make sure you see the number 4, okay? It's a number 4, okay? All right, here we go. The first thing I'm going to do is to show you how to do a loop. You're going to take your yarn, you're going to wrap it around your finger once, you're going to wrap it around your finger twice, you're going to take the back loop, you're going to take it to the first loop. You're going to go back to another back loop, you're going to go to the first, and then you're going to bring it over your finger and let go, and you have your loop, okay? I'm going to show you again. You wrap around once, you wrap around twice, you take the back loop over the first loop, take the back loop over the first loop and the finger, and you have your loop. Now, I'm going to take the hook into the loop, and I'm going to pull the yarn, okay, so that the yarn is tighter on the hook, and I'm going to chain 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you see how I'm doing it? I'm taking the hook, grabbing the yarn, and putting it through the loop. That's 6. Take the yarn, take the hook, grab the yarn, pull it through the loop. That's 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 11, 12. Okay. Now, I'm going to take the hook and I'm going to put it in the first chain next to the hook, which is right here. And I'm putting it into the top loop. I brought the hook into the loop. I'm grabbing the yarn. You see 2 loops on the hook, and I'm pulling the yarn through both, okay? Take the hook, go into the next chain at the top, grab the yarn, pull through 2. Go into the next chain, grab the yarn, pull through 2, okay? Go into the top of the next chain, grab the yarn, pull through 2, okay? And that's what I'm doing. Into the top of the chain, grab the yarn, pull through 2. And I'm going to keep going until I get to the end, okay? Top of the chain, grab the yarn, pull through 2. Top of the chain, grab the yarn, pull through 2, okay? All right. I got 2 more. Top of the chain, grab the yarn, pull through 2. The last chain, insert the hook, grab the yarn, pull through 2. And then I'm going to chain 1 and turn. This time I'm going into the single crochet stitch. So I'm going to take the hook, I'm going to insert at the very first single crochet right here, the very first. You see that? I'm going to go under the 2 loops, grab the yarn, pull through 2. Go to the next single crochet, you see the 2 loops, grab the yarn, you see 2 loops, pull through 2. Okay? That's what I'm doing. All right? And as you go along and as you hold your yarn, you're controlling the tension. Okay? This is how you control. Some people go this way. I like this way. There's many ways, but you have to control the tension so that your yarn isn't so loose that you're fighting trying to get the yarn through the stitches, okay? So, once again, we're going to insert, pull the yarn, pull through 2. Go into the single crochet, grab the yarn, pull through 2. Insert the next single crochet, grab the yarn, pull through 2. I had a student yesterday, she inserted the yarn, but when she pulled out, instead of pulling through 2, what she did was she inserted the hook and she pulled the yarn, but she went through the other yarn. Okay? But she finally got it, all right? So I'm going to take this mistake out, all right? And I'm going to bring the hook in under the 2 strands, pull the yarn, pull through 2, okay? Insert the hook, pull the yarn, pull through 2. Insert the hook, pull the yarn, pull through 2. Insert the hook, pull the yarn, pull through 2. And the very last stitch is right here. Make sure when you go into the single crochet, you see the 2 strands. You grab the yarn, pull through 2, okay? And when you're at the end, you're going to chain 1, and you're going to turn, and you're going to start the next row. And this is the very first single crochet right here, okay? So you're going to single crochet, grab the yarn, pull through 2, go to the next single crochet. You're going to insert, grab the yarn, pull through 2, okay? You're single crocheting. You're going to insert, grab the yarn, pull through 2, all right? Okay, insert the yarn, pull through 2. Next single crochet, grab the yarn, pull through 2. Okay, and notice how I'm controlling the tension, okay? That's important. That way you keep the stitches the same size, okay? So that not one single crochet is bigger than the other, okay? Or looser than the other. Insert the hook, grab the yarn, pull through 2. Insert the hook, grab the yarn, pull through 2. Insert the hook, grab the yarn, pull through 2. Insert the hook, grab the yarn, pull through 2. This is your last single crochet. You're going to insert, make sure you see the 2 strands, grab the yarn, pull through 2, and then you're going to grab the yarn, pull it through the loop, and turn. Okay, you see that? I'm going to do it one more time. Insert the hook at the very first single crochet. Grab the yarn, pull through 2. Insert the hook, grab the yarn, pull through 2. Insert the hook, grab the yarn, pull through 2. Okay? I'm going into the single crochet. Grab the yarn, pull through 2. Okay? See how I'm going right under the 2 strands. Grab the yarn, pull through 2. Insert the hook, grab the yarn, pull through 2. Insert the hook, grab the yarn, pull through 2. Okay? Practice makes perfect. Okay? If you make a mistake, keep trying. You'll get it. Okay, we're at the end. We're going to insert. Make sure you see the 2 strands. Grab the yarn, pull through 2, and you chain 1 and turn. See how it's looking? Can you see that? Yours is going to look like this too. Just keep practicing. When you turn, when you chain 1 and turn, remember this is the very first one. Don't go to this one because then it'll look crooked. You make sure you go into the first single crochet. Okay? And as you work, okay, look at it. Because if it starts bending, that means you passed a stitch, okay? I'm going to do this one more time, just for you guys. One more time. Insert the hook, grab the yarn, pull through 2, insert the hook, grab the yarn, pull through 2, insert the hook, grab the yarn, pull through 2. Okay, we're going to get to the end. All right. One more. The second one. Okay? And there you have it. All right. Okay? I hope you guys understood me. This is my first tutorial. If you found it difficult, let me know. Just let me know if I did a okay job. All right? If I did a better job, it's nice to know that too, okay? Next time, I will be teaching how to do a double crochet, okay? Have a blessed day. Please like, comment, and especially subscribe.